Papa bi a anase abrantie bi a ye friend no Kelvin Jones. Na chese ye ka Kelvin Jones na chese enye ye man ha Ghana na mum outside Ghana ye US fo yi na UK fo yi na ye okai su Jones yi. Na we na wode abeto social media say ne ba enya 10 years. Na wo hwe ne ba ne ye bia ni sube bi owo ma wadwen wa wonte ase. Ne ba na ye ne ho se de bia no opese ni odi kan wo ne mfie a owo mu opese o ye ne ho te se ose obro mfie na owo mu no enti ntade a ne ntade hye mu a de bia no o hye no o make sure so o hye ntade a 18 years for 14 16 15 for ehye eno ena ne ba no ehye wo ye ne ho ne niema nyina at that age no they ato ne ho so no aden she admires in 24 so much because they have the privilege to do everything they want to do. Na nenti a papa yi di beto ho ne se wo se on ti ase se ne baba 10 years abeka che ne se wo boyfriend eche se wo mpana a wo ne wo for 10 years de empana de wo de yede wo se ne choice na wa make wo mpana enu nti papa itina asidi ya wo hwe ya bayo emfoni na ededa yi screen yi so a wo hwe akola yi ogina ha otimo so ya akola ne ho ofe yie ne ho ofe pa wo kitampeni so body a ogina ho hu ne kura wo kura ya ka cho se owo 20 years kura na 18 ne kura na ono akola na ka ne kura wo beji edi enti no akola yi ka che ne papa se wo 20 wo boyfriend. Na according to the papa hwehwe mu no na che se ade akola ne nam krom a wo ye se wonam krom na ye bisa ne nemfie o se me wo 14 years o se me wo 15 years me wo 16 years me wo 18 years na papa na dwenwa no se adenti na akola we ebeye sa adenti e no de emfie ka ne mfie wo pentem akwani ye no kra na ye nyi ne kra ye nya ya mfie da so ye akola ese ho anti na me ba no ne mindset ana se e dey pa ne tasa suban na water na dey chire na enye na dia meye ne se mebo modern na makai no ama ne hu se wo sha no 10 years na 10 years akola de nya dia me am ye ja me ma na nya ana se atwempna anya boyfriend there bi afen so as I me dey ne to ne appropriate position say as a 10 years child should dress. The dressing I was dressing and saying no as I said it's packing in a go na say me man entade a chere say any ni age ne ekọ pepepe enti papa yi clear me be wardrobe mu e make sure say wo beto 10 years akola jeans ene entade a 10 years initial ultimo say 10 years ni na eba na akola ketwa na eba no ene wo wie ye no say wo ma ni nja ni 3 mi engu so en style bio enti ene say wo hwe picture ye da ayi so ene na che say the ribbons abugo mu a che say wa ono anga sa papa na tenasi wa hihye ribbons no e wa akola ni ti so aye nkola style 10-year-old child style egu ni ba ni ti so wie ye so no ne t-shirt okọ ayi printing press and a wire special t-shirt ama ne ba no watch so I am 10 years old and we a school bag new one and what no so ama no watch so I am 10 years old na che se wo share no na se wo de na krom na obesia ka kire nkrofo se wo 19 years ni 18 ni 16 ni 15 14 na ye behwe na no so no wo yan so a wo asotwe wo ho papa pa say akola ni go school a eniema ese so share edico school no na say na papa no edebeto Twitter I no say since my beautiful daughter Jenia wants to be grown and lie about her age saying she is 14 15 16 and 18 years old. She claims to be in love and going out with a boyfriend which is completely against my rules. And then I just said, Papa, no to say when any papa. I uncovered that she has been doing this for quite some time. She also has snapped and obtained social media accounts, also against my rules. Here's the consequences behind her actions. An age an age defining shirt. Yes, people she is 5 to 9. Yes, people she is 5 to 9 and 10 years old will wear. I just said, well, patch said the banner, trampana nature, and was signed to a social media account. And also no against the rules said 10 years in Yakola, ebe what social media account. Until why shirt 5 years to 9 to 10 years. Akwa enkola ebe share. And in your 5 years to 10 years in Kolabe, you soon know why a man is say and no as say, oh, you should the social media accounts in answer or closing in Kolano enya access to it via view. Now, when I may be say, so I will phone you now a mom when you call Mahosa. Say, Ubeshia Kolebi, Ocean and body pa near candy age, Chirawa. Ube who are Kolebi, there's a moon and you body now to move on. They are 30, 25, 28, or so better the age, you know, 12 years. And I said, be a 15 years. Be a Medici be a 15 years. And so no nature said, now bra born and knee hour, yan or shed the body and or the bonnet bra. And you know, I will phone you to a home is I almost fed no way jai and Colano sa so fair no and a dingin said, ye friend said, and Prowanin saying and as a phone at the paper because who said, body no put an matured body. It's a no and no better the bonnet bra. Tisanka wofo nyina emomani akom ma ho say e wo niam bi say hu a kebe buasa say social media nkola na enenam na ho no emre so yes obeba social media is full of evil things. And the more the children comes there, the more they learn evil things from there. And until mestres a wofo no moma mani enko moma ho saa na yemfa papa yi die ye and set example ema ye ma na omukuta matured bodies with lesser ages no na yen sesom niema bi omo ye na yenim se eba ne sa akola sem ni bi nso eto ebeba form ai media ene akosua kokua answer AK Queen Fidi 1 aha ena meja wesi follow your Instagram Twitter Facebook and subscribe to your YouTube channel and jaw comments and so ewo video yi ase na share video yi to all other social media platforms also. Aha, and a major voice, Macram.